Have you ever struggled with achieving perfectly fluffy rice every time? Well, worry no more, because we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 rice cookers on Amazon that are sure to elevate your rice cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, these rice cookers will take your cooking to a whole new level. We'll be exploring the features, benefits, and customer reviews of each rice cooker, helping you make an informed decision about your next kitchen investment. So, let's jump right in. Number 5 is the Cuckoo 10-cup electric heating pressure cooker and warmer. Its LED display panel has 12 menu options including different types of rice to easily make a variety of different meals, while its reheat function is optimal for leftovers. The cooker will automatically detect and adjust its temperature and pressure accordingly for perfectly cooked rice every time. It automatically releases pressure softly and quietly for a safe, convenient cooking experience and includes an overheating alarm that will alert you if the cooker's internal or external temperature is too high. In number 4 we have the Kasori Rice Cooker Large Maker. Choose from different types of rice and texture options with this 18-in-1 functionality. Powered by fuzzy logic technology, the Kasori rice cooker controls the temperature precisely throughout the 7-step rice cooking process for white rice, sushi rice, and brown rice. The normal cooking time for perfect rice is relatively slow compared to stovetop or traditional rice cookers, but it also offers the quick rice feature to cook rice quickly in a pinch without sacrificing taste or the quality of the meal. The bright LED guided touch display walks you through the cooking process. Clear measurement marks make it easy to measure the perfect amount of water, and the alert tone lets you know when your rice is ready. Just a quick reminder that 93% of you are not subscribed. If you are enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like, and let's continue. Number 3 is the Zojirushi NHS-06 3-cup rice cooker. The Zojirushi NHS-06 is a compact and reliable rice cooker known for its simplicity and consistent performance. With a 3-cup capacity, it is ideal for small households or individuals. The single switch operation makes it incredibly easy to use, while the automatic keep warm function ensures that the rice stays warm and ready to eat. The non-stick inner cooking pan makes cleaning a breeze and prevents rice from sticking. The rice cooker comes with a measuring cup and rice spatula for convenience. Built with durability in mind, the NHS-06 features a sturdy construction and safety features like a stay-cool handle and detachable power cord. Overall, this Zojirushi rice cooker offers a hassle-free and reliable solution for perfectly cooked rice every time. In number 2 comes the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. The Zojirushi Nitrogen Monosulfide ZCC-10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker is a highly advanced and versatile kitchen appliance. It features Neuro Fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature to deliver perfectly cooked rice. With a 5.5 cup capacity, it's ideal for medium-sized families. The rice cooker offers multiple cooking settings, including white rice, mixed rice, sushi rice, and more. It includes a programmable timer for convenient preset cooking times. The non-stick inner cooking pan ensures easy cleaning and prevents sticking. The NSZCC-10 has a sleek design with a user-friendly interface and comes with accessories such as a measuring cup, rice spatula, and holder. Overall, it provides a convenient and reliable solution for consistently delicious rice. In the top of our list, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile and innovative kitchen appliance that combines the functions of 7 different devices in one. With its advanced microprocessor technology, it provides precise temperature control and consistent cooking results. The pressure cooking feature reduces cooking time while maintaining flavor and nutrients. It has a 6-quart capacity, making it suitable for families, and features a stainless steel inner pot that is easy to clean. Safety is ensured with 10 built-in mechanisms, and the intuitive control panel allows for easy selection of cooking functions. The Instant Pot Duo offers convenience with a delay start feature and is a must-have for those seeking efficient, flavorful, and hassle-free cooking. Be sure to check the description below for links to all the rice cookers featured in this video. We hope you enjoyed this countdown and that it helps you find the perfect rice cooker that will revolutionize your cooking experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!